Welcome back, everyone. We've got some low clouds here in Fargo, but quiet for now. First alert weather days heading into tomorrow and Wednesday for a major late season winter storm that could be historic for some areas. Let's get right to the timing and track here. So right now, the storm system exiting the Rockies and pushing in to southwestern South Dakota, right along I-90. There's some rain and even some wintry mix as well. That is what is headed our way by tomorrow. Right now, we just have a few flakes across the Northern Valley. So most of tonight is going to be quiet, aside from some lingering snow up across the Northern Valley. That's where we're seeing some slick roads this afternoon and evening as well. But by tomorrow morning, let's start things off right away when you're getting maybe out the door, maybe you're just waking up 6:30 in the morning. Snow starting to enter our far southernmost counties, and it'll be a little slow at first to lift a little bit further north, pressing into that I-94 corridor, Highway 10 corridor by late morning and into the early afternoon. By the mid-afternoon hours, we're looking at fairly widespread snowfall aside from the far north, and it'll be combining with some wind as well out of the north and east. By your evening drive, your commute home, we're looking at widespread snow, heavy at times where you see the dark blues, which encompasses a good portion of our viewing area. Meanwhile, down to the south and east towards St. Cloud, looking at some wintry mix, some rain and maybe some thunder down towards the Twin Cities. So the snow will continue to build into the afternoon and evening, and it comes with more wind as well. Check this out, 9 o'clock, still widespread heavy snow, still dealing with a lot of wind. So this heavy snow combining with wind is going to last for hours. Here we are now by Wednesday morning, finally tapering off a little bit where it first arrived about 12 hours ago in the far southern counties of our viewing area, but still looking at heavy snow in some areas. And we're going to see the wind shift from out of the northeast to now out of the northwest through tomorrow morning. And once that wind shift happens, that's when we're expecting the strongest of the gusts, over 35, possibly up to 50 miles per hour. So even where the snow is done falling, we're looking at significant drifting of the snow. And even once the heaviest of the snow moves out, it's not done. We're going to see these lingering bands of snow kind of wrap around and linger right on into our Wednesday evening. Snow potential, again, heavy in places where you see this kind of axis right here. 15 to 26 inches of snow, so 1 to 2 feet of snow. Where you see the pinks, that's including Fargo, 12 to 18 inches, but it does look a little heavier just west of Fargo, something to keep in mind. And 12 to 18 are right through the center of eastern North Dakota as well. Areas in purple, 8 to 14, decreasing as you go to the south and east, because that's where we anticipate more wintry mix and less snow accumulation. So things you can do tonight, if you hadn't gotten to it this weekend, things that you can do to prepare tonight. Get your roof cleared off of snow. Your deck, if you've got significant accumulation on your deck, might want to get that cleared out. Dig out the fire hydrants and the gas meters. If possible, find shelter for not only newborn livestock, but all livestock at this point looking to be impacted. Rescheduled any travel plans you might have, and might be a good idea to have a backup power source on hand. Here's a look at that icing potential. Again, mostly to the south and east, but some of our Minnesota counties not quite spared from all the ice. Temperatures tomorrow morning, mostly teens and 20s, and we stay fairly steady as far as temperatures into the afternoon. Here's what we're seeing right now. A few flakes, little light snow up across the Northern Valley that continues to exit. Temperatures even now similar to where they'll be tomorrow morning and tomorrow afternoon. Okay, let's take a look at your planning forecast for after the storm. Might see a little bit of lingering snow showers on Thursday and the breezy conditions continue, but it won't be nearly as windy. Then we're looking at a warm up, which means melting of the snow. We're going to have to carefully watch the rate of that melt and what it means for our flood forecast moving forward.
Yeah, definitely just so much to go over, and I'm sure everyone is just hoping that we can just hit the fast forward button and get through this snowstorm that's coming up pretty quickly. Summer, thank you so much.